projecting 1 by 110 degrees horizontal line and 2 by 360 degrees vertical lines. Inspiritech self-leveling laser level provides solutions for a wide range of applications such as for construction, picture hanging, cabinet installation, laying tiles, ceiling works, and all kinds of home renovation projects. A 360 degrees manually rotary base allows users to adjust the projection direction of the horizontal laser line, making it possible for a 360 degrees horizontal leveling around the room. This laser level will be a great help for your work in all working and leveling conditions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Self-leveling mode. Smart pendulum system that allows laser tool to self-level within 3 degrees while also indicating out-of-level condition by sound light alarms for inclines of over 3 degrees to help ensure an accurate measurement. When the alarm is on, the unit should be adjusted, making sure that it is placed on a level ground, then followed by the normal line emitting, which adopts the electronic induction principle. Tilt mode. By pressing and holding the out key for 3 seconds on either the control panel, the self-leveling function will be deactivated and the pendulum will be locked. In this case, the user can place the laser tool at any angle to project non-level straight lines without any indications. Number 2. 3D full layout with 5 lines. The Inspiritech cross-line laser level can produce 1 horizontal and 4 vertical laser lines, either individually or at the same time, covering the floor, walls, and ceiling all around your working spaces, compared to the ordinary 2-line laser levels. This 5-line laser level gives more lines and more extended reach. 2 360 degrees vertical lines cross at 90 degrees on the ceiling helps users quickly visualize and finish the square layouts on the ceiling. Number 3. Multifunctional leveling tool. The 360 degrees rotary base allows users to adjust the projection direction of the horizontal line, making it possible for 360 degrees horizontal leveling around the room. This enables you to line up the exact horizontal and vertical coordinates of your project with ease, making your job quicker and easier, using the plumb dot under the unit and the cross point of lines on the ceiling. This laser level also projects up and down centered points on the floor and ceiling. Number 4. Projects and professions benefit from. With great brightness, powerful features, and high accuracy, Inspiritech provides solutions for a wide range of applications. It can be used for hanging pictures at home, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, architects, interior designers, project managers, surveyors, and other trades can also enjoy the benefit for construction, decoration, installation, and manufacturing industries as it provides an easy-to-follow, straight guide. Number 5. What you get and warranty covered. 1 red beam laser level, 1 DC 100 to 240 volts charger, 1 rechargeable lithium battery, 1 goggle for red beam lasers, 1 user manual, 1 carrying bag. Each Inspiritech laser level comes with a 12-month limited warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.